This is Tom Drashel, a federal and state government professor at Tyler Junior College, speaking on the constitutional violations of the COVID containment crisis. He's speaking to the Smith County Commissioner's Court and Judge Nathaniel Moran.
Rules of decorum do apply. You may begin speaking now.
All right, my name's Tom Drashel. I'm 70, born here in Tyler. I speak to this stay-at-home order that you issued on March 27th. It's been extended until tomorrow, the 30th. And about your police powers in crime and public health, I intend to be blunt. I'm trying to be helpful and do what's right for us, but I hope that you'll be humble enough to listen and consider what I have to say. I'm just a normal citizen, for what it's worth. I do have a law degree. I teach federal government and state government courses at TJC. If I hadn't had a commitment elsewhere, I would have testified against this order sooner. But I'm testifying now because it may very well come up again. So let me sum it up first. No matter how well-intentioned, it was not legal. You have no authority to criminalize otherwise law-abiding, healthy citizens. And someone's got to say, it doesn't matter if the governor thinks he can do it. It doesn't matter if almost all the counties in the country think it's okay. You and our county attorney should know better. And you should say further embarrass yourself and harm the Smith County citizens by ending it now. No faces. We've had millions of dollars of lost income, businesses shutting down, and so on. So I feel like someone has to say this. First of all, I'm sure, appreciate healthcare workers and government workers, and everyone's doing all they can to help deal with the challenge. Having said that, it is possible to get carried away. So regarding police powers over crime and health, and don't forget, government is a gun, a badge, and a uniform. It's not to be taken lightly what you are exercising. So again, regarding police powers over crime and health, the federal government has none. The police powers are reserved to the states. That's simple federalism, the 10th Amendment. We've let the federal government usurp and take over in large part, but that doesn't make it right. Certainly not constitutional. Only the states, so city and local, city and county government, yourselves, have these police powers. So you have legitimate government authority to imprison people that break the law and quarantine sick people who are a threat to the public health, but not healthy people. These police powers have never extended to law-abiding, healthy citizens. Ever. Nowhere. You should have known better. It doesn't matter if everyone else is doing it. For city and county and state officials to act as if they have governmental authority to punish or control those of us who are abiding by the law and we're healthy is assuming powers you do not have. $1,000 fine, 6 months in jail. You need to know that many of us normal citizens wonder more and more, who do these people think they are? I said earlier it's possible to get carried away. You got carried away. It would have been good and right for you to take the lead, be our leaders, and suggest these restrictions, like as in Sweden, as voluntary measures recommended to responsible citizens. But that's not what you did. Fortunately, the sheriff's department's exercised restraint. Maybe you have, because no arrests have been made or citations have been issued. But you're threatening criminal penalties to law-abiding, healthy citizens. You can't do that. Somebody's got to say it. You should be embarrassed, ashamed of yourselves for your lack of understanding of the law. You should be embarrassed that average citizens are, like myself, are forced to continually bring up the U.S. Constitution that protects our God-given rights, our freedom. You've been elected and hired to publicly defend and administer this law, the Constitution. Specifically, that's why we required that you raise your arm to the square and swear that you would do it. It's not a joke. It's serious. I hope you won't forget the Constitution, somehow think you're above it, or ignorant if you don't recognize when you're doing it. Should we just remain silent when you go beyond your constitutional authority? That's not the way our system works. At least we citizens fail if we don't hold you to these boundaries. So this nonsense has to stop. Of course, it's scheduled to stop tomorrow, but the order was wrong, and it should never happen again in Smith County, Texas, even if everyone else in the country or the world is doing it. Thank you for listening. I hope you're listening. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
So, Tom Drashel says that commissioners should be embarrassed if they don't understand the shelter in place and jail term penalties for violation of such